Hi guys, Veronica Weiland here with eXp Realty. Today I want to present to you a beautiful home in Kelly Point in the heart of Nocatee. It's very close to the town center. It's not quite in the town center, so you will see a beautiful big backyard backing to a preserve, which you will not find in the town center obviously. But in Kelly Point, which is zoned for Palm Valley Academy, this house is priced very, very nicely because it's only $247 per square foot. So it's over 2,600 square feet. It features 4 bedrooms plus a loft. It's a 2-story single family home and all the bedrooms are upstairs. So you will see with this video what $247 per square foot will get you. If you obviously are looking for a model like home with all the latest upgrades and finishes, you will end up paying around $400 per square foot. But this house, obviously you get a lot for your money. $247 per square foot, 2,600 square foot home, pretty big for a nice family. And you can obviously update it and renovate it and put your all beautiful finishes yourself. But this is basically what kind of home you can buy for $655,000 in August of 2023. Check it out and let me know if you have any questions. If you are looking for a different type of home, I can also show you some other homes around. Just let me know. 904-808-3737 and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Bye guys.